Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now we're going to look at Virabhadrasana. It's one of the asanas done in standing position, and every little detail about this asana is been explained in your guide, so please refer there. And here we're only going to look at the practical session about it, how to perform this asana. So this asana, like I've said before, is done in standing position. For this, I'm going to take a side so that you can see it properly. So I'm going to stand and bring one leg about 3 feet ahead of me and try to keep like about 3 to 4 feet distance between your legs. My back foot is at a 45 degree and my front foot is perpendicular to my body. Now bring your hips. So basically your hips are squared in front. From here I'm going to bend my front knee in 90 degree with my heels. From here, inhale, raise both the arms, hands, palms are joining in Namaskara position, and I'm arching back. Breathe normal. Find your balance. Slowly, when you're ready, first release both the arms and your front knee. Bring both the legs in center. Breathe normal. Happy practicing.